Today, we will share with you amazing small space backyard design ideas and tips for transform limited space backyard into perfect living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For many urban dwellers, outdoor space often comes at a premium. But fear not, fellow design enthusiasts. Even the most modest backyard can be transformed into a functional and stylish retreat with a touch of creativity and some clever design tricks. This video, brought to you by the design experts at Homes Decor Designs, will delve into the world of small space backyard design, answering your burning questions and equipping you with the knowledge to create your very own pocket paradise. Small space backyard design is a strategic approach to maximizing the potential of a limited outdoor area. It prioritizes functionality, visual expansion, and clever space utilization to create a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing environment. This involves incorporating multi-purpose furniture, vertical gardening techniques, and creative layouts to ensure every square foot serves a purpose. Even the most compact backyard holds immense potential. Here's why you should consider transforming yours. Increased functionality. A well-designed backyard expands your living space, offering an additional area for dining, entertaining, relaxation, or even gardening. Enhanced property value. A beautifully landscaped backyard adds value to your property, making it more desirable to potential buyers. Stress reduction and improved well-being. Nature has a profound impact on our mental and physical health. Having access to a green space, even a small one, can significantly reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Increased enjoyment of your home. A backyard oasis provides a perfect getaway to unwind, entertain friends and family, or simply soak up the sun. How do you decorate your small space backyard? Here are some key principles to guide your small space backyard design. First, define your space. First, assess your backyard's dimensions and existing features. Sketch a rough layout to visualize your design ideas. Second, prioritize multifunctional furniture. Opt for furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as a dining table that folds into a bench, ottomans with built-in storage, or chaise lounges that can double as sunbeds. Third, embrace verticality. Utilize vertical space with hanging planters, climbing vines on trellises, or vertical herb gardens to add greenery and maximize floor space. Fourth, create an illusion of space. Use light-colored furniture and reflective surfaces like mirrors to create a sense of spaciousness. Fifth, lighting is key. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed solar lights can enhance the ambience and make your backyard feel more inviting in the evenings. Sixth, define zones. Use strategically placed planters, rugs, or low-level dividers to create designated areas for dining, relaxation, or gardening. Seventh, bring in the greenery. Container gardens are your best friend in small spaces. Choose plants that thrive in your climate and consider dwarf or compact varieties. 8th, add a touch of privacy. Install latticework with climbing vines, build a privacy screen with vertical planter boxes, or strategically place tall potted plants to create a sense of seclusion. 9th, water features. A small fountain or water feature can add a calming element to your backyard oasis. 10th, accessorize wisely, don't clutter your space. Add a pop of color with throw pillows or a statement rug. Consider an outdoor art piece to create a focal point. What are the best items for a small space backyard? The best items for your small space backyard will depend on your specific needs and preferences. However, here are some general recommendations. First, multifunctional furniture. As mentioned before, prioritize items that serve multiple purposes. Second, foldable furniture. This allows for flexibility and maximizes space when not in use. Third, vertical gardening solutions. Utilize hanging planters, wall planters, and vertical herb gardens to add greenery without sacrificing precious floor space. Fourth, mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors can create an illusion of spaciousness. Fifth, compact and container plants. Opt for dwarf varieties or plants suited for container gardening. Sixth, outdoor lighting. String lights, lanterns, and strategically placed solar lights enhance ambience and functionality. Seventh, outdoor rugs. Define your seating area and add a touch of style. Eighth, privacy screens. Create a sense of seclusion while adding a decorative element. And to complete your inspiration, hear these compilation of top 10 best small space backyard design ideas. 1. Patio with built-in seating. Create a cozy nook with benches built along the perimeter of your patio, maximizing seating capacity without sacrificing space. 2. Folding furniture. Invest in foldable tables and chairs that can be easily stored away when not in use. This allows for flexibility and creates more space for activities when needed. 3. Hammock bliss. String up a hammock between two trees or install sturdy hooks on your wall for a relaxing retreat. It's a space-saving way to add a touch of luxury to your backyard. 4. Bistro set for two. A small bistro set with foldable chairs is perfect for enjoying intimate meals or coffee breaks under the open sky. 5. Vertical herb garden. Dedicate a wall or fence to a vertical herb garden. It adds a pop of color, freshens up your meals, and utilizes vertical space efficiently. 6. Multi-tiered planter. A multi-tiered planter allows you to stack several levels of plants, creating a focal point and maximizing planting space. 7. Fire pit fun. A small fire pit adds warmth and ambience to your backyard. Opt for a gas-powered or portable fire pit for safety and space optimization in a compact area. 8. String lights for ambience. String lights are a magical way to transform your backyard into a whimsical evening retreat. They create a warm and inviting atmosphere without taking up any floor space. 9. Outdoor rug magic. An outdoor rug can define your seating area, add a pop of color and pattern, and create a more cohesive look in your limited space. 10. Privacy screen with flair. A privacy screen doesn't have to be boring. Opt for a decorative screen with a trellis for climbing vines, or choose a colorful or patterned option to add visual interest. With a little ingenuity and these clever design ideas, you can unlock the hidden potential of your small backyard and transform it into a functional and stylish oasis. Remember, a well-designed outdoor space is an investment in your well-being and adds value to your property. So, unleash your creativity, embrace the small space challenge, and get ready to enjoy your very own backyard paradise. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for even more design inspiration and expert tips for creating your dream home, big or small. We have a wealth of informative and visually stunning videos to guide you on your design journey. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing small space backyard design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.